Hey everybody, Debbi Starr here. Wanted to jump in and talk about your lead flow. Do you feel like your lead flow is stuck, like that hose that has a kink in it? Well, I'm here to tell you it's probably because your lead magnet sucks. Hate to say it that way, but that's probably the problem. So, what I wanted to do is take just like 3 minutes and walk you through my lead magnet framework that will help you know how to create the awesome lead magnet to bring people in. They'll be saying, yes, you're the one. They'll raise your hand and so forth. All right. So, I'm going to share my screen here. And I'm just going to jump in and talk about this framework that I have. So let me share this on the screen and let me hop over here. So if you happen to catch this live, just let me know if you can see this. So I use this framework here that walks you through the key to creating your lead magnets that really grab people's attention. And the idea is you want to give them something so that they get massive results. People are, we're flooded with information. So let's cut through all the chase and just come up with what do they need to move their business forward. Now, this framework that I have, I talk about the best type of framework depending on how you help people. I'm not going to go through all of this, but here is the key. What you need to do, the number one question that you need to ask yourself is, what problems can I solve for people? Okay. And we're talking about those mini problems. And if somebody goes through what I call phase A, it takes them to the next step, phase B, and then phase 3. Within each of those phases, can you break things down into many tiny problems that you can solve? Once you do that, guess what? Not only do you have a whole flywheel of information that you can deliver to your people, the most important thing is it is going to give them the results. All right. So let me share another screen here with you, and I'll show you in real time what this looks like. So let me see if this is showing up here. I like to use this triangle model, and it's the same thing. Basically, we're building out 9 pieces of your content, literal, real stuff. Now, the question I get from people is, oh, well, this is part of my paid program. It doesn't matter. You're helping people implement it. So the first thing that I recommend to people is, let me get my pen out here again. Decide what is it that's on the tin, so to speak. If they went to the store and they purchased your program, what's that ultimate promise that you are delivering to them? So in this instance here, in my little DBA prep membership program, I help people nail the 3 top things when they're first starting. Who are their ideal clients? What's the genius zone that they can actually offer? And then how do they attract their first clients? So those are the 3 big buckets that I help people with. And then what do? You start building that out. So here's another example. So what would be on the tin? Help women over 40 lose weight. So lose 8 pounds in 30 days. Okay. And so if this was your program, then what are those 3 pillars that you might be helping them with? Maybe people don't know what to eat. They don't know how much to eat, and they need to find time with the meal prep and working out. All right. So is that making sense? We have a tendency to overthink when we're building our lead magnets. Then what we do is we flip what the problem is. We flip it to what the solution is. And then within that, we go through and remember I said those 9 little mini solutions. So let me come back over here. Remember I said here, these 9 little mini solutions, that's what you start building out. Whoops. And then before you know it, you've got lead magnets that actually solve people's problems and get them closer. And what is that going to do? That's going to bring people to you. They're going to raise their hand and say, yes, I want more of this. How can you help me? So let me just show you an example here. This framework, if you want this framework, comment below. I'm happy to share it with you. So in my program here, I help people learn how to attract, how to convert, and then how to scale. And, the most important thing that you can do is learn how to create these juicy lead magnets that get people to raise their hand saying, yes, I want to, I want to work with you. I want to get closer. All right. So does that make sense? Let me just come back here and come back face to face. So if this was helpful, let me know in the comments. If you would like a copy of this framework, then, reach out to me through a DM and I'll get it to you. As always, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.